Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the really cool Wieprima wire stripper. And it's not only a wire stripper, it's an automatic wire stripper. An automatic wire stripper and crimper in one device. This is a 5-in-1. This is the quick, easy way to strip wires. Automatic wire stripper and crimper in high precision tools here. This revolutionary tool makes repair and assembly projects more effectively for home and professional users. We may find our new stripper makes stripping faster and safer than before. It is either for home, garage, marine, or regular operation. We adjusting the swivel knob to strip the electrical wire gauge up to 24 AWG. This is 0.2 millimeter in square. We adjust the knob to minus position for thinner wires, plus symbol for the high wires. The stripper will not damage the metal part of the electrical wires, and this is awesome. And this should a wire stripper do. It's a really cool stripper. It is a pair of awesome things. It is a pair of opposing blades, much like scissors or wire cutters. The addition of a centered notch makes it easier to cut the insulation without cutting the wire. This type of wire stripper is used by rotating it around nearly, and then you get it off the cable. This is cool. The compound automatic wire stripper here was first patented in 1915 by Stuart G. Wood of Brooklyn, New York. And now it's in your hand and you can use it as a professional. Oh yeah. And that's not only the one thing. You have more things to do with that device. You can crimping. Crimping is joining two or more pieces of metal or other ductile materials by deforming one or both of them to hold the other. The band or the deformity is called the crimp, and you can crimp here. That means you can make a good all nice wire connectors with that easily. And this is a 5-in-1 tool. The Wieprima Ratchet function wire stripper, electric connector, crimp connector, assortment, cable plug, pliers with or 4 insulated cables, lugs multifunctional cable, plug plier for crimping pliers. Oh yeah, this is some cool stuff. This is a 3-in-1 wire stripper. The portable wire stripper is good for cutting 30 up to 10 AMG. Stripping 30 up to 8 AMG, and crimping insulated and non-insulated contacts from 22 to 10 AMG. Working like home electrical work, light installation, small circuit boards, etc. And it's a self-adjusting wire stripper. Automatic, baby. The self-adjusting mechanism allows us to adjust the length of the stripping with the built-in stopper, improving the workflow and achieving more. No more manually checking the cables across the section while working. And a durable ferrule pliers. Steel body with black oxidized finish for corrosion resistance and longevity. Suitable for professional and non-professional use, such as repairing electrical circuits at home, connecting circuits in the car, and all works related to the connection of circuits. And it comes with an ergonomic design for a better user experience. The wire stripper has an ergonomic, non-slip, and comfortable grip. Whenever we are fumbling around the cables of a car, a battery, or of our home, we will find that this wire stripper is more than up to the task. And it's multifunctional and durable. Ideal for DIY projects and solderless repair around the house. And this will help you so much. Oh yeah. The Wieprima electrical wire stripper, automatic wire stripper is awesome. Really awesome. Meticulous workmanship. Comfortable and durable. The surface electro furthest cold rolled steel punishing pliers head treatment of gripping joints. The surface spray treatment. It's made of high quality steel collection of stripping, trimming, crimp connection, 3 function in one. And it's easy and fast. convenient and practical. Stripping plus tag plus crimping. Job's done. Oh, yeah-ing. After stripping the wire end can be cut off and the clamp. Job's done. The pliers handle is small and effortless. The PVC material handle, plier handle made of PVC materials, completely green and wear resistant. Comfortable grip, baby. Yeah, the economical padded handle provides the maximum comfort and reduces the hand fatigue. And we have a self-adjusting cable cutter. The self-adjusting jaws, either for copper and aluminum cables from 10 up to 24 AWG. These are 0.2 up to 6 millimeter square. Nerve rear micro adjustment knob for stripping wire smaller than 24 AWG. The stripper does not damage the metal parts on the electrical cable. The multi-tool safely remove the cable cover without damaging the internal cables. It is required for every stripping of mass cables and saves us a lot of time. It's easy to manage simultaneously stripping of multiple wires. And if we look at this awesome device, we can see on the upper side WEDM CR12 MOV steel jaws. The hardness is HRC 55 degrees up to 60 for all types of wires from 10 AWG to 24 AWG gauge. These are 0.2 up to 6 millimeter in square. This is enough for everyone out there in standard way. The cutter are made by special heat treatment, high quality blade performance, effectively cutting, and copper only. For insulated terminals, there are the crimping tool area and at the knob of it. You can make it with insulated terminals from 22 up to 10 AWG that are 0.5 up to 6 millimeter in square. The next slot is for non-insulated terminals for 12 up to 10 AWG. These are 4 up to 6 millimeter in square. And for non-insulated terminals is the next terminal for you, 16 up to 14 AWG. Yeah, these are an awesome 4 up to 6 millimeter in square. Yeah, and there it is, the big one, 22 to 18 AWG. These are 0.5 to 1 millimeter in square. This is really cool. Always we should wear safety eye protection when using that tool. We always disconnect the power and source before working on electrical wires, of course. Conform to all electrical codes, okay? Okay, and the plastic handle are intended to protect the users against electrical shocks. This is the really cool and awesome Wieprima power stripper. Oh yeah, it comes with a ratchet function, it's a wire stripper and more. It's easy as you can see and it works as you can see. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.